So that's the second D. Now third D is, I've already touched upon it. Okay, if you are giving information, there is a difference in, I'm going to give you the definition of information according to me. Okay, you may agree, you may disagree. Okay, so what is it? Is basically depth of your knowledge. Okay, so information is something which you are reading. Today you are gathering a lot of information from me, though I am not giving you information. I'm giving you insights, deep insights and wisdom. But for someone who is a first timer here, hearing all these things for the first time, it is simply coming as information, right? So you may be reading 10 books. You may have read 10 books on swimming. So that is all information. You're gathering information. Okay, that is why I said two types of learners: who is exploring and learning, acquiring, assimilating, integrating different kinds of knowledge. Everything is information for you. Now, the second category, who are doing that already, also taking some actions, but not getting results. It is no longer information for you, what you learned across program. Your information has become knowledge, because when somebody told you that, okay, that this is how you write FB campaign, and you wrote FB campaign, you put some 10,000 rupees in it, and you just got 2 leads. So whatever you learned, you feel it's not working, because now there is some insight you are going to get why you got only 2 leads in 10,000 rupees. What is it that did not go right? Is your target audience wrong? Is your ad copy wrong? Not apt, not high converting? Okay, is your budgets incorrect? Right? So there is a difference between information and knowledge, deep insights and wisdom. So information is very shallow. Okay, so and so you would have read books on swimming, but will you become a swimmer just by reading books? Or you have to dive in the water? The moment you dive in the water, you realize, oh, my upper body is not flexible. Okay, that is why I am taking more time to learn swimming, or I am not having a right arm movement the way it is written in the book. Oh my God, they said you should breathe, hold your breath or breathe in. Oh my God, I can breathe only for 2 seconds. Breathe in is only for 2 seconds. That is why I'm not able to stay in the water for long. I feel claustrophobic, right? I feel I'm falling short of breath. These are now your information is becoming knowledge, right? And when you work on these flaws that you figure out in yourself, or your gaps, rather than flaws, I would say gaps, you work upon those gaps, and daily disciplined, consistent effort in right direction, you're trying to overcome these gaps. What happens? Okay, your range has gone up. You are holding yourself in water for some more time. So the shallow information which became knowledge is now translating into some insights for you, right? And if one of your friends says, you know what, I can't stay in water for long, I don't know what is the problem, then you will say, why don't you check how are you breathing? Just breathe in and tell me, oh, your breathing is too short, just 2 seconds. That is why, you need to focus on breathing. Now you're giving them a deep insight and your experiential knowledge you are sharing, right? Now suppose you become an expert swimmer, you become a state level champion. Now all your knowledge is becoming more deeper insights, right? Deeper and deeper insights, right? You have more depth to what you are sharing with people. You will become the most sought after trainer if you become a swimming trainer, right? And if you keep acquiring medals after medals, and you have invested years in swimming, now even one sentence you speak is going to be wisdom. So now ask yourself, are you building your knowledge business with information? Then this is not for you. Are you building your knowledge business with knowledge? Okay, some practical knowledge. Well, you will not make this kind of sales. You will not be able to build business. You are a freelancer. Okay. If you are able to give insights, deep insights and wisdom, there is depth in your content. Okay, people are absorbing it like golden nuggets. Okay, then you are now ready to create an online business that is sustainable and that will run for you in autopilot mode for at least few years. Okay, makes sense, right?